Hi, I'm the Highway Groupie with another great recipe for your Rio Soda beverage carbonating machine. Today we are going to make a ginger ale that requires no refined sugar but still tastes great. Take 400 milliliters of apple juice and add 12 grams of ginger. Throw in a pinch of salt. If you don't want to use apple juice, you can substitute this for a water and brown sugar mix. Use sweetened water to taste. I prefer to avoid refined sugars, hence the use of apple juice. Another great substitute is to use raisin water. I will post that recipe in a future video. So bring your liquid of apple juice and ginger to a low boil and boil for about 1 to 2 minutes. Let cool, then add the lemon juice. Then refrigerate. Chill the 400 milliliters of water as well. You may decide to pass the juice through a sieve or cheesecloth to remove the ginger, but it is not necessary. Often I like to leave the ginger in the solution to add an extra little bite. Once cooled, pour this mixture into the carbonizing bottle. Add the water up to the fill line. Carbonate with 4 to 6 short bursts until you hear the release valve trip. Always check to make sure that it is not sudsing into the infuser. Now, this may take a few more shots if your CO2 bottle is getting low. Once you're done, once you hear that release valve, wait for a moment, then remove the carbonizing bottle from the machine. Shake for 30 seconds, then let stand for a few minutes. Press the release valve button about halfway, being careful not to allow the beverage to suds into the infuser. Stop periodically if necessary. Give one final complete push of the button, then remove the infuser. Cap and refrigerate, or decant for your consumption and enjoyment right away. I hope that you found these tips helpful. We will be posting other tips and recipes soon. Please subscribe so that you will know when the next installment happens. See you soon.